Hello, my name is Xander. Welcome to this Django ORM query challenge. You can follow along with this challenge like a tutorial if you're just getting started out, or use it to test your current Django ORM skills. Links to the source code and setup instructions are in the video description. In this challenge 1.6, we need to return products which meet the specified filter. So we need to return products which has a price of $19.99, and we need to exclude any products that are connected to category 3. So we should also return all fields. So give it a go, take a moment to try yourself, and if and when you're ready, I'll walk you through the solution step by step. Right, so we are working with the product data once again. So we're going to need to start with the product model. So we're going to query the product model, and we need objects. Let's start with all. So this would return all the products, which obviously we don't need here. So we need to now filter by price and category. So we don't need the all method. We can simply just define a filter, and we need to include products where the price is $19.99. So let's use a basic filter on the price field. So the price must equal, and that's going to be $19.99. So that's an error that you might fall into. Remember, this is going to be a numeric field. So we're not working with strings, so we don't need doubles here. So just price equals and then the value. Right, so that's the first task. This would return all products where the price equals $19.99. So now we need to exclude category 3. So any products that are connected to category 3. So for this, we can use the exclude method again, and let's now specify the category. So we need to double check the foreign key field for the name on the product table. So that's just called category. Okay, so category equals, in this case, 3. Right, so let's test this out. Docker compose up, build D, build your containers. Let's take a look at the documentation for challenge 6. Let's try this out, execute, and now we have returned, looks like 3 products, ID 10, ID 11, and ID 29. We can see that they are part of category 22, 4, and 4. So they're not part of the filtered category. So we don't want to return any products that are part of category 3. And you can see that the price, they're all priced at $19.99. A common mistake here would be to wrap the numbers in double or singles. Of course, here we're working with values, so that isn't needed. Now, if you want more challenges, then do check out our YouTube playlist. And if you're ready to master all the skills behind these queries, then jump into our full Django ORM Mastery course. It's designed to take you from the ground up. All the links to the resources are in the video description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for weekly promotions and course giveaways.